In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can use image trace in Affinity. So finally, Affinity has updated their features, and one of the latest ones is going to be the image trace feature. So in my case, I'm going to use a file format PNG. You can maybe use something like JPG. You can just simply try this out, follow along. First things first, I'm going to click on my image right here. You want to click on vector, and inside we have the image trace feature. So just click on it, and then we'll have two sliders right here. We have the edge threshold and the curve fitting tolerance. Now we won't be able to see much difference right here if we tweak this sliders, but what you can do is to simply click on the split view to look at the before and after, and basically that makes it easier to see the difference before and after. Click on apply, and right after that we have managed to simply use the image trace in Affinity. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.